Hola.
We made it. We are in
Mexico City.
Ciudad de Mexico. It's about 3 hours of sleep on the plane. It's 7:25 a.m. Mexico time, and we're gonna go get some pozole and meet with our friends, and then we're gonna take a 2-hour bus ride to Puebla, and we get to sleep on the bus, which is I'm looking forward to the most. Mecca too. Look at this guy. He's like a zombie right now.
All right, message.
Hey everyone, Frank and Sarah here.
It's been a while.
Yep.
We're back to vlogging.
Yep. And there's Micah.
Oh yeah.
So we are at an airport. We are at the Tijuana airport, and we are on our way to Mexico City.
Yeah, so it's Memorial Weekend. We're heading to Mexico City, and then we're gonna go to Puebla City.
Yeah,
We've never been there, so.
Yeah, so this flight will take us to Mexico City, then it's like about a 2-hour bus ride to Puebla.
Yeah, and then we fly back from Puebla.
And Puebla is where mole comes from.
Can we eat some mole?
And Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, so
yeah, so we
It's
are.
gonna be a long weekend, a holiday weekend.
It's gonna be a long night. So our plane leaves here at about 12:30 a.m. so a little after midnight, and we land about 6:30 in Mexico City, and then we're gonna eat, meet up with one of our friends, and then take a 2-hour bus ride to Puebla City. I'm in Mexico.
Technically we are, yes. So we just had our celebratory shots of tequila, and now me and Frank are sipping on our bougie red wine while Micah is just being Micah.
I'm eating tuna.
Yeah, the selection on snacks right now is a little bit bare, but I think they're gonna restock pretty soon. So
Yeah. It's complimentary, so.
can't complain.
Yeah, I can't really whine about it.
So we're gonna take a pool. How many shots are we doing tonight?
All of them.
How many?
The shots.
The white boy says all the shots.
Cutting myself off after 4.
Ooh, 4.
I don't want to repeat Guanajuato. Look at our Guanajuato video when I landed in Guanajuato.
Oh, exactly a year ago today.
Is it?
Yeah, we went Memorial Weekend in Guanajuato, and Frank got super drunk.
Yeah, we were at the lounge here, and it's all complimentary drinks, and we got there really early because it was Memorial Day, so we wanted to beat the traffic. Frank almost died. Yeah, I drank like 8 shots with like beers and stuff in between. It was just rough.
Actually, last time we came here, we did 8 shots as well, but I think we kind of paced ourselves a little bit better. I think we kind of learned from our mistakes.
I didn't do 8 shots.
Oh, I did. I think I did 7 or 8 shots last time.
Good for say.
So sad.
Maybe. I don't know if I'm saying it right.
Oh my god. Buenos dias.
Good morning.
We're in Mexico City.
Yep.
It is 7:25. It is 7:25.
Yeah.
So we lost 2 hours.
Yeah, we have about 3 hours of sleep on the airplane. That's about it. So we're gonna go eat, meet up with our friends, and then get to Puebla. And sleep on the bus. Huh?
Eat for like a month.
Great. Wonderful. So we met our friends and we're getting breakfast finally. We finally get to eat like a real meal. We got pozole, tostada. We have a bunch of tostada shells and salsas. So everything's going pretty good so far. We're on the way to the bus station now. So we had an awesome meal and we're still pretty sleepy. Can't even make sentences work now. Words hard together, but so tired.
Good night.
We made it on the bus, and in 2 hours we'll be in Puebla.
I can't breathe.
Yeah, we're on. The altitude is hitting us right now, but we'll be all right. I'm stuffy too.
How much was it to hit the bus?
About $10.
Round trip?
One way. $10 one way. Yeah, not bad. It's pretty comfy. They have phone chargers in the bathroom.
And Puebla is not the center of Mexico. Mexico goes to the Valle de Mexico.
We're in Puebla City.
Yep, we did it.
We're here after a 3-4 hour flight and a 2-hour bus ride. Puebla. Beautiful.
Beautiful church behind us.
Beautiful day. It's about 80-some degrees. It's pretty warm. It's sweaty. Nice. My kind of weather.
So we're gonna get some food right now, and we're gonna check out some sites, just kind of wander around the city, get lost a little bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna try the mole, I guess. That's like what they're famous for. And there's lots of churches. For instance, this one right here. And yeah.
It's really pretty so far.
It's 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Everyone's kind of out and about. The cobblestone streets are kind of cool. Should change though. My pants, I'm like sweaty.
Yeah, I brought shorts actually.
I know, I have shorts as well. Tomorrow or later, I mean.
Okay. First sit down meal in Puebla. So we got their specialty. I got the specialty. It's the mole poblano. This restaurant says it's their best dish.
What does the mole taste like?
It's hard to explain because there's so many different ingredients. It's like chocolate and peppers and a bunch of spices in it.
It's sweet though, right?
It's really good. Huh?
Sweet?
Not really sweet.
That one's sweet.
Try it.